So first thing you might be able to notice is we've got single bed followed by what looks like a double bed. This, if I just show you right now, actually really easily just moves apart, as you can see just there, really easily moves apart. So it's actually two singles pushed together. You've got to use that. The hotel does come with a lovely balcony though. If you watch my Milan vlogs, you'll be familiar with balconies and how much we love balconies. So we'll just step onto the balcony and I'll show you the view. Lovely and sunny. Very nice. But there's your hotel room. It's a triple room, but we didn't ask for a triple room. We've just been given it. Some people have moaned about it being small, but we don't find it too bad. As you can see, there's areas for your luggage. There's a little table. There's a cupboard there, which, if you look in the cupboard, it's actually just some coat hangers up there, and then there's a little safe which will cost you €100 deposit put on a credit card apparently. There's a TV there, light switch and door there, and also you got a bathroom with a shower and a loo in. But all in all, nice hotel, good for a one night stay and good for staying somewhere local towards Luxembourg and Paris. I was saying, there's also a shower with a bathtub, sink and loo, with some towels up there, but we already used some, and a hairdryer, which I don't know how good it is because I've not used it, and also a mirror. Last added on note for the hotel at Andre Latin Hotel in Paris, if you're using it for Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi isn't the greatest. At times it's very good, and then at other times it's extremely poor, so it's inconsistent. It is free, so I can't complain. Just a little tip, just letting you know. Room 559, look how tight. Go on, get a look, see. Small the lift is. Case and me just about in.